I-25 and Lincoln Avenue this morning. Not looking terrible on the interstate in the Lone Tree stretch, but making your way along Highway 93 northbound through the Golden area, right around 64th Avenue. We have a brand new crash reported. Castle Rock to 225, 43 minutes. Normal for your drive through that area is about 16.